In this video, I'll show you how to properly execute commands in Maple. Since Maple only ever uses the last computed result, it's important to execute commands in the correct order to ensure your worksheet behaves as expected. Let's look at an example to make this clear. I'm going to create a variable a and assign two different values to it. To check and see what the current value of a is, I can open up the palettes on the left-hand side of the screen with this small arrow and look for the Variables Manager. In this section, there's a list of your variables and their current values. So I can see that a is 2. This means that if I create another variable b and set it equal to 2 times a, it should evaluate to 4. Now, let's see what happens if I execute the first statement again by pressing enter, and then the assignment to b. As we can see, b changes to 2. This is because Maple used the most recent value assigned to a, not the one that appears furthest down in the document. If I reference the Variables Manager, I can confirm this. 1 is assigned to a, and 2 is assigned to b. It is important to note that there is a difference between assignment and equality. To assign a value to a variable, we use :=. I think of this like giving a value to a name. In comparison, the equality sign is used to create equations. For example, if I have x squared plus sine x equals 5, that's an equation. But if I have something really simple, like x equals 5, that's just a really simple equation, not an assignment. And if I go to my Variables Manager, I see that nothing changes, because a value is not assigned to x. When things are getting too overcrowded or too messy in your document, kind of like how mine is getting right now, under the Evaluation tab, you can click on the Remove Output from Worksheet button to clear things up. Then, to re-execute your worksheet from top to bottom, line by line, go to the Home tab and hit the Execute Worksheet button. There's an important notice I want to make here. If I add 3a plus 2b at the top of my worksheet and then execute the worksheet again, we can see that 3a plus 2b evaluates to a number, which is unexpected. This happens because the values for a and b are saved from before the button is pressed. To avoid this, it's good practice to include a restart command at the top of every worksheet that you work on. This resets all values from all variables. Now, when we execute the worksheet again, we see that 3a plus 2b evaluates to itself because a and b no longer have values. In this video, we covered how Maple's execution order differs from the visual order, and some different tricks and features to help assist you when you're creating your own documents and worksheets.